Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to this Quizify review. We are going to be taking a close look at the Quizzify traffic app, but not only that, I'm also going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best outcome with Quizzify. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Quizzify goes live on the 28th of October by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a cloud-based traffic software that allows you to interact, to engage with your traffic in such a way that actually ensures you close this traffic. It actually ensures that you actually capture this traffic. Now you are going to be building your list, but not only that, one of the most exciting things I actually find about Quizzify is it also allows you to make money promoting your own product, affiliate product, or ultimately sending people to whatever link you want to send people to. This still remains the best software that I know that allows you to engage in order to close your transactions, close those sales, bank with affiliate marketing, and actually build your list, whatever it is that you are doing. Of course, this works in many niches, which we are going to be taking a close look at. Now you can actually build, you actually have done for you templates here for quizzes. Also the same thing for polls. Now it's actually proven that people love to interact with this kind of resources here. Talking about polls, people love to let you know their opinions. Talking about quizzes, people want to know that you want to relate with them to kind of see what they are going through. For example, now we have a ton of quizzes right here. If you click on preview here, for example, this talks about having a good work-life balance. So here it says, do you have a good work-life balance? If you click on start quiz, it actually gives you a series of questions which somebody who thinks they don't have a good work-life balance will really want to answer to see what you actually have for them at the end of the day to give you this work-life balance. Now that's just an example. It could be for someone who is not making any money online, and then you're probably asking them how much would you like to make, and you can basically go ahead structure this exactly the way you want. They'll be able to answer true or false, or sometimes they click on next. It's going to take them to the next question that has and then on, and then you can actually use this. You can actually use it. You can actually customize it, change those questions, remove the ones you don't like, basically change it totally to something you want to use. If you get to the results page, which is ultimately, where people actually get to, you can actually change the button text. You can actually, add something here. You can say, click here to get started, and then you can actually link this to any URL, which can actually be, an affiliate link. Which is actually cool. This is one tool that you would love to have if you are doing any form of marketing at all. Now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I'm giving you, and then also feel free to come check out the full demo of Quizzify right here on this bonus page. But also I'll still take you to the dashboard to maybe show you more, because there's actually more here. If you go to video also, you can actually place these quizzes in videos, not videos that you create yourself. You can actually use other people's videos, you understand, from YouTube, and place all these resources, these polls and stuff on top of these videos to get you, leads and to get you sales. Bonus number one, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to send traffic from Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform where people come to ask questions that are actually bothering them, and this allows you to actually drive traffic in any niche. Now this does not require you to do content creation. This does not require you to crack your brain or crack your head to answer questions. This actually allows you to do everything seamlessly without you having to put in a ton of effort. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to a full funnel. You're going to be getting access to the full funnel of Octagon, which is a cloud-based traffic software. Octagon comes with done-for-you product reviews from ClickBank products to Warrior Plus products. Now, all you need to do now, like in the case of ClickBank, is to go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username. You come and add it to the funnel, save that, and then all these done for you high quality product reviews become active with your own affiliate link. This allows you to build your list. This allows you to make money with affiliate marketing. It comes with free traffic and also comes with free traffic training. Now, not only that, you're going to be getting access to the front end. You're going to be getting access to OTO1, OTO2, OTO3, and OTO4. You're going to be getting access to the full funnel in my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, I really want to get you started. Start making money with this within the next 12 to 24 hours. Now, I'm giving you my responsive list of 800 plus active subscribers plus autoresponder software to manage and mail this list. Now, this allows you to get started, as fast as you start using this. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator. You get access to the bonus page creator, which automatically creates the delivery pages for you. Now, you don't have to do any work because this gives you access to done for you graphics. It gives you access to the done for you bonuses that comes with the app. You can actually add your own bonuses if you want to. Now, you get to present your bonuses in such a way that this is actually captivating and also makes people to want to take action and actually purchase any product from you. If you know a thing or two about affiliate marketing, you would understand that offering bonuses is actually a great incentive and makes people want to take action to actually purchase from you. So you get a software that does all the work for you, and that's going to be my bonus number 4. Now, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to 40 plus high quality products that you can give away as lead magnets. You can basically offer this for free. Now, people will need to give you their email addresses in order to get these lead magnets, or you can actually offer this as bonuses, as incentives to make people purchase products from you. Now, also bonus number 6, I'm going to be showing you how to get paid without having to show your face on camera. Now, there are so many ways you could actually get paid, especially with YouTube, without you even having to show your face on camera. I understand that so many people are not so comfortable showing their face on camera, but that is not going to stop you from still creating content that you can actually create within a few minutes and start making money with this on YouTube. Also, bonus number 7, I'm going to be giving you access to another traffic software that allows you to place banners, place links on other people's video. This does not require content creation at all. This allows you to drive a ton of traffic. You're going to be able to add even custom lead forms on these videos that actually allows you to build your list while making money with affiliate marketing. And also bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. And there's a ton of them. Just to let you know, you're also going to be getting access to them. In addition to my own bonuses, chances are these are just the bonuses that other marketers, other affiliate marketers are going to be offering to you. But I'm giving you all these bonuses also in addition to my own bonuses to get you the best outcome with Quizzify. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Quizzify, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based traffic app. So here it says, the most powerful viral traffic and lead generation system ever. A push button app gets you free buyer traffic every second and automatically unlocks 5,425 buyer leads in just a minute. No monthly fees, no extra expenses, a true business in a box, no manual work. Also, feel free to come check out the video presentation right here on this sales page. And come check out this sales page in your own time, anytime from 10 a.m. 28th of October, once Quizzify goes live. Yeah, so that's the sales page. Let me take you to the dashboard once again, the members area. let's go to the dashboard, and you can basically, you have a ton of templates right here. Instead of preview now, we can actually now click on use now, and then this allows us to start customizing. You can actually add redirect URL, which is pretty cool. Also you can actually add, change everything, change the project start date, project end date, add questions. You can actually delete questions. Now I just deleted that. You can delete the questions. Let's say you don't want up to, how many questions does this have? Has a ton of questions. Let's say you only want 5. You can actually go ahead and start deleting the ones you don't want, and then start customizing the ones you want to keep. Start changing these required question to answer, answers at the same line, and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. This allows you to actually structure these quizzes the way you want, and then you get access to your results section. You can actually change images, you get access to lead form, you get access to results page. You can actually design these, change the bottom background to something else. Let's say something like this. This is fully customizable, and this is pretty cool. If you ask me, you can actually track and stuff like that. This also comes with autoresponder integration, which allows you to integrate autoresponder. You get access to your leads to actually see all the leads you've been able to get, with your quizzes. Now you also get access to tutorials, that actually show you how this is going to work. Let's go back, and also the bonuses. You get access to your bonuses also, which I believe are all being added right now. So if you go back to videos also, you can actually create video, and then you can actually type your video name, and then you can actually choose your thumbnail, and then you can actually select source, either from YouTube, either from Vimeo, either from URL, or you can actually upload your own video. And then you can actually add probably your video ID, let's say in the case of YouTube now. And then you can specify when this, quiz or project or poll is going to show up. And then you can actually select which of the polls or projects you've created you want to use for this campaign. And then you can actually publish. And this actually shows up on the video once the video starts, playing. This is an absolutely amazing tool, which I completely recommend for anybody who is looking at making some money online. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing for Quizify. The front end of Quizify that gives you access to all this goes for a one-time fee of $17. Now the first optional upgrade is the Quizify Unlimited that goes for $39. You get all the front end features, and also you get to create unlimited quiz, poll, and surveys per month. Also, OTO number 2 is the Quizify Done For You. You get access to 100 Done For You campaigns set up for you in 2 minutes. We set up your account so it's guaranteed to start flooding you with traffic, with profits. Also, OTO number 3 is the Quizify Traffic Academy that goes for $67. Access to our premium Traffic Academy, which will show you all free traffic methods to 10x your sales for your Quizify campaigns. OTO number 4 is the Quizify Agency that goes for $47 to $127, and then you have variations based on the number of accounts that you are going to get access to. Also, OTO number 5 is the Quizify Reseller. You can resell Quizify and keep 100% of the profits. The final upgrade is the Quizify White Label that goes for $297. It gives you access to all the front end features, but all the OTO1 features. Remove the Quizify branding. That means you can actually, use your own branding, completely make it yours. And also you get access to unlimited licenses. And this goes for $197. So that's it. That's going to be my Quizify review. Once again, if you want to check the full demo, you can come and check it right here on this bonus page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.